fellow self-isolators. This is 5024's Steam at Home, and today we are going to be making a hoop glider. What we're going to need for this is scissors, bamboo skewers or straws. Popsicle sticks also work. Tape and a cereal box. For this, I'm going to be using a box of rice. And that's how you make a hoop glider. How it works is that the smaller hoop creates less lift, making it in a constant nosedive, so it creates more speed and stays afloat for longer. Catch us on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our platforms.